welcome to Creative Art. I am Vilima, and in today's tutorial we are going to make a DIY, that is string art decor by Itsy Bitsy, and this time we are going to do the Christmas special, that is Santa Claus string art. So friends, please do subscribe to Creative Art for more creative art tutorials, and do watch the complete tutorial to make a beautiful string art for yourself. So let's see what's inside this box. In this we get a step-by-step instruction manual, and this is the list of all the materials and all the steps that we need to follow. So here we get a pre-primed green color MDF base, a Santa Claus print, wooden hammer, handmade flowers, adhesive, stencil, paint, embroidery threads of 4 different colors: red, black, white and skin color, that's cream, nail and a sponge blender. Now let's begin the DIY, friends. Now let's begin the first step, which is to place the print on the MDF base, and I'm going to keep it on place using tape. Okay, so now it's ready, so let's start placing the nails. The nails are quite small but pointed, so it's really good in holding. So I'm gently going to press it and then hammer it down. So in the same way, I'm going to nail all the nails to all the different dots and then show you how they look. Okay? I have finally completed placing all the nails, and this is how it looks. And now let's reveal it by removing the paper. Be very gentle. I think I have to tear it from a side. And after removing the printed paper, this is how our base looks. So now friends, using these colorful strings, we are going to give shape to all the nails that we have hammered. First, I'm going to use the skin color, and I'll start by first making a knot so I can secure this. So randomly I'm going to place the string all around the nails. This is how the face part looks now. I have used a skin color string. Now we are going to do the nose and mouth using the red color string. To start, first we have to tie a small knot and fix it to the nail required. Now let's begin using the white string, and this is how I'm going to do it. So let's start painting the bear as white. I'm going to make a few assumptions and do it like this. Now I will let the paint get dry for some time, and then we will start doing the string art. Now let's start doing the string process. In the same way, I'll complete the string art using white thread. Now finally, let's start using the black string for eyes. Now I'm doing the final boundary using black thread, black string. Now I have finally completed doing the border line using black string, and this is how it looks. So now friends, let's start decorating it. And for that, here we have got stencil, few colors, a sponge and few paper flowers. So now I'm going to place the stencil at this corner first. Using masking tape, I'll secure it. And here I have some green color on my sponge. So let's just tap it. Now remove the stencil. Okay, this is how it looks. In the same way, I'll place the stencil here. Once again, we'll do the same process. Then gently remove it. Okay, so here we have got the print. We will let it get dry for a few minutes. And here are a few paper flowers that we have got in the pack. With this is the adhesive which we have to place on the back side of the flower, just in this way. Peel the yellow part, the adhesive exactly where you want it, remove it and then place it here. In the same way, I have completed the bottom part also. And finally, this is how our string art looks. So friends, do give it a try, make it yourself, and do let me in the comments below what do you think about this tutorial. And if you do like my tutorials friends, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.